There's Rag Bhakti. Rag means attachment. Now, Srila Prabhupada himself, he talks about Guru Darshan at the level of Raganuga Bhakti. Are you aware of that? Has everyone read Prabhupada's books? In Srila Prabhupada's books, Prabhupada talks about the third level of darshan, the third type of darshan with Guru that happens when one comes to the level of Raganuga Sadhana Bhakti. And where will we find that? For your Shastra Praman. 4th Canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 28, verse 52, is Tika, or commentary. Let's hear it. So now when one goes a little bit to intermediary stage of devotion, becomes somewhat slightly attached to Krishna and feeling his presence and offering his very heart at the feet of Guru, then he can enter the level of seva and bhakti with attachment, rag. Your heart becomes rag, it becomes colored with deep feelings, sentiments. This is rag. Rag means color, attachment. But Prabhupada said at this level, at the level of Raganuga Bhakti, then one can have experienced the third level of darshan, Guru, Chaitya Guru Darshan. Chaitya Guru Darshan, Antaryami. One can see the Guru in his heart. He can see the Bapu in his heart of the Guru. And he can hear the voice of the Guru in his heart. Directly. Guru Shabda, Guru Agya. Let's hear Prabhupada's quote. This is Srila Prabhupada. Vaidhi Bhakti, Vaidhi Sadhana Bhakti, Vaidhi Bhakti can help the neophyte devotee to rise to the stage of Raganuga Bhakti, in which the Lord, Krishna, Paramatma, the Lord responds from within as the Chaitya Guru, or the spiritual master as super consciousness. That was 354. Now this is 42852. The spiritual so I'm saying that when we come to the level of Raganuga Sadhana Bhakti, we can hear our Guru speak. We can hear our Guru speaking in the heart, and we can see our Guru. When we close our eyes, we can see the very form of our Guru in our heart. This awaits us. This experience. This is Prakash. Krishna says, Raja Vijay Raja Guyam, Bhavachambam. He says, Pratyaksha Bhagavam Dharma. Pratyaksha Dharma. Pratyaksha Dharma means it's visible. This is the visibility factor. In the 9th chapter of Gita, verse 1. Pratyaksha Bhagavam Dharma. This is Pratyaksha Dharma. That the Dharma, the experience of God is Pratyaksha, it's manifest. This is visibility. So when one comes to the Raganuga Bhakti platform, he can see the Guru in his heart. He can actually see the Guru. Prabhupada is telling that. Now Prabhupada says, the spiritual master is non-different from that super soul sitting in the heart.